Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. We are doing Drugstore Mania. We have some new drugstore products and I want to share them with you guys. So if you want to come along and see how I got this voice, not the face, because if you want to see how I got that face, you got to talk to my mom and my daddy. But if you want to see how I got this makeup look, just let's keep watching. Don't forget guys, if you're new, subscribe. Click the bell to be notified of future videos. Come join this journey. Make sure you click that bell because that bell lets you know every time I upload and you don't want to miss all this. Come on now. And remember, sharing is caring, so share with everyone you know. Let's get the movement going. And smash that like button because it helps your girl's channel out and I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Face is primed and I am going to go into this Hard Candy Bare It All foundation and concealer stick. It comes like this. You see that? And it's just a stick formula. You twist it up. Yep, just like that. Oh, nice. Okay, and I don't know if this shade's gonna match me. This is in the shade 1362 Tan. And I don't know, I hope. I'm crossing my fingers. This also has a brush at the end. And the brush doesn't come out. It's just, it stays there and it feels hard. And we are gonna try the brush on the other end.
Ooh, ow, no, yeah, no, ow, no.
No. So I'm gonna go in with my Real Techniques sponge. Now the foundation claims to cover everything and it covered nothing at all. And yeah, like nothing. It's $7. It also says that you should use the brush, you know, to put it on your face. And I'm looking for a brush, actually. So I'm going to use my Wet n Wild brush. I'm going to go in with a second layer. I'm not going to use my sponge. Let's see how it lays. It's kind of dry on my face, like kind of drying itself. And it's sitting on my skin. It smells, waxy, and it is $7 at Walmart. I don't know where else you could find it, but at Walmart it's $7. So let's see if I can get more coverage this way. So let's talk. Let's be real. This thing feels cakey. It is sitting on my skin so cakey. I am not happy with this at all. So I'm gonna take this, is new to me. This is the e.l.f. Post-Workout Cool Down Mist. I'm going to read the claims on the back of this. The refreshing facial mist nourishes skin with replenishing ingredients, helps you cool down post-workout, used to set makeup or throughout the day to hydrate, maintain, just go out of yoga glow. The breathable performance formula is sweat resistant and won't clog pores to keep up with your active beauty lover. Wear under makeup or under makeup, over makeup throughout the day, and that is about it. So what I like to do when my foundations feel kind of cakey sometimes, I like to go in with a spray. This is such a pretty bottle. Look at that. I am digging this. Ew, it smells good. So I'm going to go ahead. Ooh. All right, guys, so I'm back. My concealer and corrector are done. My eyebrows are done. If you guys want to see an updated eyebrow routine, just let me know and I'll get on it. So I started going in with the blush and I forgot to hit the record button. So this is the Bare It All It's the Look Pro Bare It All Lip Cheek Stick by Hard Candy. And I am using the shade Sweet as Honey. It's a very pretty shade. It's a stick. It is a very, very nice shade. I really like it. Again, it has that wax smell that I don't like. And it has that brush that I'm not using. So I already started putting it on this cheek. And I'm just blending it out with my sponge. As you can see here. And it's blending out very nicely. I really like the way this looks. The next new item that I do have are the setting powders. I have a few new items here. So excited. So I have these two setting powders. These are from Milani. And well, actually I have three. This is a new form. They've reformulated their powders. So I purchased this one in 06 beige. I don't know if it's gonna match me. I should have gotten tan. Ugh. Anyways, it's fine. So I also have 03 Translucent Banana and 04 Radiant. So this is gonna give you a radiant glow. So let's see, we're gonna do the banana under the eyes. And it does have that sifter that you can turn, get the powder out, and then cover it. I kind of like that. So I'm just going to put some on the back of my cap. There you go. And we are going to set the under eyes. Alright guys, so I don't know what happened. I wasn't recording, but to let you know, after the banana powder, I went in with the powder, the face powder, the Milani one. This one right here. It comes with a puff, and there goes the powder with my nail mark on it. It has a pretty good sized mirror. The claims on this powder is that it shine proof, pore filling, it conceal and perfects, and I'm gonna tell you, my face looks so nice. The powder that I have prior to this one I didn't like, so they must have reformulated this because, or this is a new one. I really like this one. Like, it filled the pores. Here I have the biggest pores, and for some reason right here I have huge pores, and I have a line right here. Like, it literally goes across of pores, and here, like these little pores, not where the hairs are, but like right here. And it's so hard to get them filled. This filled them, but it doesn't look powdery. And then just for shits and giggles, I went in with the 04 Radiant powder. This powder, it says ultra fine translucent powder, locks in makeup, non-chalky, advanced formula, smooths to look, what is it? Smooths the look of fine lines, imperfections, designed to work on most skin tones. I used it a little bit with this huge powder, and I just went over it. That powder, after I powdered my face, just to give my face a radiant look, and I just pushed it in, my face still doesn't look like powdery and cakey, even with this foundation. Actually, it made the foundation look better. And then, I did so much, and I couldn't show you. I went in with this Hard Candy bronzer. It mimics the, Benefit. This thing smells so strong, like chocolate. So if you don't like chocolate, you're not gonna like this. Now, they had blushes. They didn't have a different bronzer, a different color. This is the only shade. And so I put some on. I used my Real Techniques contour brush, but then I took my sponge and the banana powder, and I kind of just cleaned it up. It doesn't give much color. It gives a hell of a lot of smell. So I think if you're darker complected than me, look at that, you're not going to get much use out of this. I mean, I hope that they have a darker shade, because if this is it, then it limits who can use this or who can purchase this, and that sucks. Like, come on, companies, get your shit together. All right, now, my face is basically done, so I'm going to go ahead and use the spray again because I really like the spray. And there's no natural about this, but it looks really nice, and my face feels so refreshed with this. I love this e.l.f. spray. So this is going to stay right here. Now, the next items that I have two highlighters. One is from Milani and one is from Hard Candy. And we are going to try one on each cheek. Now, Milani, I found brushes from Milani in Walmart. This one is the Milani Expertly Designed Brush Highlighting Blending Brush. It's like this, and I'm going to tell you, this is the 554. These are a bit pricey. Like, the Milani brushes are really expensive. It feels soft. This is the brush. It's a very pretty brush. We're going to go ahead and use the Milani on my left and then the Hard Candy on my right. So this is the new palette. I got 03 Rose Glow, and it goes from Pearl to Golden Quartz. And the last one is going to be your rose gold right here. So I'm going to go in with Golden Quartz, that middle one. So I'm loving this. I'm loving the brush, and I'm loving the highlighter. I know that it's a little pricey, but I'm really loving them. So now I'm going to go in with the Hard Candy highlighter set. This is their Dust Glow Baked Highlighting Trio. Roll the brush into the powder and then apply in sweeping motions wherever you want. So it does bring a brush. Here, this is how they are. So they're just like bronzy golden shades. And it does bring a brush. And as you can see, the brush is dirty because, you know, I jumped in and started trying to use it. So I'm going to go in with that middle shade. And I'm just going to swirl, like they said, swirl your brush around. Which I didn't have to do with the Milani ones. It's not as intense as this, but it's pretty. It's a very subtle glow. I mean, I'm sure you can amp it up. It's not bad. It does the job. I do have an eye product that I want to use. This is the shade Starr, Miss Kat Von D. That's what that reminds me of. It's a liquid, just sparkler, it says. So let's see. Okay, that's pretty. Look at that. All right, so it dries down and that is not moving at all. All right, guys, so as far as the Glitterati, it already dried. And it is not budging at all. If you add way too much, it's gonna break up on you. It's gonna look ugly. But if you put a thin coat, a very thin layer, and you let it dry, it's gonna look nice. So what I did was, I added way too much, and it's just making my eyes look really creasy on this eye, because I went in too thick. I didn't let it dry completely, and then I pounded more on. But then I did this eye. If you can see how smooth it looks and how nice compared to how chunky this eye looks. So you have to put a very thin layer. Let it dry completely. And then go in with a second thin layer and it's going to look divine. It is a beautiful product. I got an eyeliner. This is the new e.l.f. Active Work Ready Eye Pencil. It is in jet black. The creamy waterproof eyeliner won't bleed, smudge. The performance formula glides on easily, designed to hold up and keep up with the active lover. All right, so here's your pencil. You have to sharpen these. So let's go in and see how dark it is. Now, I don't know if you guys can notice how dark that made my lash line there look compared to this one. This is an extreme black pencil. I love it. And another product that I have that's a waterproof product is from Maybelline. This is the Total Temptation, the new mascara that came out. But this is the waterproof version. Oh, mama, look at those lashes, guys. Oh, they look so nice. And that's one coat. So let that dry. I'm going to put it everywhere else, and then we'll go in for a second coat and see. I put a second coat, and it did not clump. So now for lip products, I do have some. I have the new Cashmere Silk lip product. This is by Hard Candy. It says here, applicator will have you saying bye-bye to your lip balm. Start by applying your gloss on the middle of your lips and smooth around. I don't understand. Is it a gloss or is it a lip matte product? We shall see. This is in the shade Biscotti 1320. All right, guys, so I went ahead and I lined my lips. This is the Milani Color Statement Lip Liner in 09. This is Spice. I always feel like Hard Candy hits it out the box with their colors. It's a very nice soft formula, but I did, because my lips are very pigmented, I did have to fill in my lips with a lip liner. If not, it was looking kind of off. And the last thing that I have to show you actually is this new Hard Candy. This is their Plumping Serum Lip Gloss. And I have the shade Cakewalk. So look at the packaging. Look how pretty that is. There you go. It has like a pinky, glittery type hue on it. So, all right, it gave me just a little bit of a sheen. I can't tell you if it's plumping because I haven't used it. All right, guys, so I love the mascara. Thus far, look at this. Look at my lashes. And it smells like candy. It's sweet, not like candy, just sweet. It has a sweet smell. That's all I got. So, until the next one. Bye, guys. Bye, YouTube. Peace.